Tony Crumless. I never fail to wonder that from basically very simple resources, so much music has been written over the centuries: songs, symphonies, concertos, operas. Um, Basically, Western music only uses 7-letter names: A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, and then you start again. In between those notes, you've got an extra 5, which are your sharps and flats, making a total of only 12 notes. Those 12 notes can be arranged in scales of tones and semitones, and from that you make up tunes, melodies, themes, and so on. On the notes of those scale patterns, you can also build triads, which are the basis of chords, just 3 letter name notes, alternate letter name notes, and there are only 4 kinds: major, minor, augmented, and diminished. That's all. And from those resources, you can build, using different rhythms and patterns and textures, you can build pieces of music. It's amazing, really. But I suppose it's rather like seeing a pile of bricks on the road and you don't know whether they're going to be destined to be a garden wall or a cathedral. Of course, it's not quite as simple as all that, but that's the basic of it. That's the thing of it. To illustrate this a little bit in a very simple, fun way, I'm going to suggest we have a go at a quadlibet. A quadlibet means in Latin for whatever you wish, and it's a musical composition of usually light-hearted songs which go together at the same time. I've chosen 10 children's songs. I chose children's songs because hopefully most people will know them. If you don't, then see if you can resource them somewhere and sing them, but I'll sing them all to you. All of these songs are based on the same patterns of chords. The pattern of chords is very simple. In C, it's called C, 4 beats in the bar, 2 bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, followed by another 2 bars of G7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, another 4 bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then at 1 bar of G7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do that again. It's just C. Now those songs are all based on the same scale of C major, and they're all based on the same chord pattern in C. And yet they all sound completely different. You couldn't mistake one for another. Because of the way they're put together with the same chord sequence, they could be all sung at the same time. You may find that a bit tricky. So I suggest you start off with just playing the first song and getting a friend or half a group to play the second song at the same time. Even that you may find taxing, because it's not easy to sing one song while somebody next to you is singing another one. But it's good experience and good practice. You could then do the next 2 and then the next 2 and build it up. You might even manage doing 3 songs at the same time, or even 4, possibly even all 10, I don't know. Give it a try and have fun. Here are the first 6 of these children's songs, which I hope you'll know. There was an old man called Michael Finnegan. He grew whiskers on his chin again. The wind came out and blew them in again. Poor old Michael Finnegan. Begin again. And you repeat the whole thing. Next one is called Hey Ho, Skip-to-ma-loo, hey ho, Skip-to-ma-loo, hey ho, Skip-to-ma-loo, Skip-to-ma-loo, my darling. Then you should know Bobby Shafter's gone to sea, silver buckles on his knee. He'll come back and marry me, Johnny Bobby Shafter. You may not know this one so well. It's a calypso song. Come back, Liza, come back, girl, wipe the tear from me eye. Ever me think of that nice girl, Liza, water come to me eye. And it goes on. Then we've got a very well known Merrily we roll along, roll along, roll along. Merrily we roll along, oh the top you see. Then we got London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. That's the first six. Four more. He got the whole world in his hands. He got the whole wide world in his hands. He got the whole world in his hands. Got the whole world in his hands. That's familiar, possibly. Lavender's blue, dilly dilly, lavender's green. When I am king, dilly dilly, you will be queen. One more river, and that's the river to Jordan. One more river, there's one more river to cross. Buffalo gals, won't you come out tonight? Come out tonight, come out tonight. Buffalo gals, won't you come out tonight and dance by the light of the moon? 10 songs in all. I could have made it more, more adult ones. But I thought everybody might know those songs.